Hi kids, I'm Tim and I'm going to be your fun activity games leader for the day. What we're going to do is we're going to learn about when times are uncertain. We are going to look for hope when we're in those times of uncertainty. Um, where is our hope found? Our hope is found in Jesus. He's the only place and He's the provider of our faith. Life can be challenging during these times, so when we have those challenging times, we look for Him to give us hope and get us through. And if we go to Him, then He will help us. He will provide our needs for our needs. Okay? Um, so our fun activity for today is a obstacle course because I'm silly and I enjoy doing these. So I hope you kids like it and you can do one at home too and see how it goes. Anything works. You could just climb over something. Be careful. You can crawl under something. Be careful as well. And you can run and jump on things, and you can have a good time with it. Okay, so I'm going to show you my course, and we'll let you see me actually run one. How's that?